Hey everyone, um, daily update back at it today. Got a lot of work done today. In the morning, I had uh, work, just a short shift, 7 till 12, 7 a.m. till 12 p.m. So not too long. I finished that, and then I came home, and then it's day 27 today. Yeah. So I finished that, came back. I got a haircut as well, and that took. There was like a line today, so it took me like an hour to get the haircut and come back home. I came back home, and then I had a meeting with this dental practice that I had sort of created a few things for when I wanted to work with like dentists. This one practice I was working with. When I say working with, I was setting stuff up for them, the funnels and everything. They're working with a marketing agency. They weren't happy with the results, but nothing really came off it. Like this was like a couple months ago. Well, like you guys might remember, this was like day 5 to 7. I was sort of talking about this, but yeah, the lady contacted me and I hopped on a meeting with her again, and I thought like they're gonna be busy, they're not really interested, so I just left it. But they're wanting to actually launch the campaign, which is good. I'm not really getting any money from it, but it is a great way for me to build a case study in the dental niche, or possibly get more dental clients, because I think once you have one good case study with a reputable clinic, it's a lot easier to start upscaling to different practices and showing your results. So yeah, I'll just keep that open. I know I am working with med spas. I don't want to get too distracted. For them, I'm not doing any appointment setting or anything. I'm just doing lead generation. The lady who I'm working closely with. She'll be doing the calls herself, so that's good. I'm also gonna be um, oh, sorry, I've just had a client message me. Okay, I'll respond to him in a sec. But yeah, I also had to launch two new campaigns today, both for my clients, because like I'm taking them to the landing page, and because there's a bit more quality, like it's not really getting, like I should have gotten like a lot more leads by now. It's been only 2 days. It's been like 40-50 bucks, but like I've only gotten like like one or two leads. Like it's not good, and I know it's very early, but I'm changing, instead of landing page, I'm doing a lead form now. So I'm gonna see if that helps, doing a lead form and then putting the landing page after. Hopefully that increases the volume. So I launched that one straight away. Um, I'll send him an update to let him know, because it's all about testing, right? It's like I'm not, I can't tell the future, but we know what works and what doesn't work. So look, let me quickly look at the metrics. Yeah, look, like the clicks and stuff are good, but like nobody's submitting the form, so it's still in the learning phase. I just put it down to one video because I know like it's not too high of a budget. I just need to start getting some leads in through the door, leads, appointments, boom. I have a meeting tomorrow as well, with an past client. I'm gonna do the paper offer with her. So this one is like I'm not looking to really make any money. I just want to get some good results. Use her as a live client case study. So like 3 or 4 med spa clients, or like really like 4, 5 clients, I'm not really making any much money off. But like I am, but a little bit just to cover some expenses, but I'm not really making a profit or anything. But that's okay. I'm in it for the long run. The lady that I think the other day, she sent the agreement over, so that's good. I sent her a message to confirm what sort of offer she wants to run. Tomorrow I have a day off, which is perfect because I really need this. A day off from my supermarket job, so I can completely dedicate all day to agency. My credit card also got approved, which is great. That means I can use that to start running some ads. But I am having an issue with attaching. I'm not sure why I keep saying it's a decline. I'll probably call them up tomorrow and see what's happening. I also am going to do some like my existing appointment setup for the lead calling. I sent him a message saying, look, if you're interested in maybe sending out a commission based only appointment setting role, let me know. If not, that's okay. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get someone to do an appointment setting lead generation role, which would be really helpful because I need some sort of organic system in place. Nothing too fancy, just literally commission based. So I'm not putting money out of pocket for people that are really. I'm just looking for someone that that has the time in the day. Obviously, it's gonna take a couple of hours, and there's no really there's no guarantee that they're gonna make money, but you know, I need to find that sort of person, because if I do a buy per hour, it's not really as effective. So even if I do like a dollar an hour or something, but then again they might drag it out. So I just want to do it on a commission base. I'll see if the response, like if I'm not able to find anyone quality and it's just too thing, I'll just change it to per hour. But for now, it is what it is. I also launched new ads for the real estate company guys. So it's the same campaign. It's just now I've also attached a PDF thing as well. So this PDF allows me to now also get people interested. So hopefully that goes well. Let's see how that one performs. Tomorrow I'll probably also record another YouTube video, maybe something about gym based. Oh yeah, today, like a few things happened today that were a bit crazy. Like some guy at the gym was trying to fight. Like, oh, I don't know, it's not even worth talking about really. But yeah, that's the update for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna have like a full day of agency, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.